Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm fiddling with a Roadster back here, and as you can see I'm fiddling with the taillights. Here we go. So I made some templates and painted them red so I can see them, and I will start doing some measurements. This one is already up. What do you think? Is this the right place for them? The measurement from here up here is the same as here to here, and the distance here is just a hair shorter. I think this will be good. I want them to be quite spread apart. So this will be good. I can just trace this on the back of the car and start drilling and cutting. So yeah, I will use this for template to put these in the car, and I will just trace the holes with this one. Sweet. So after a lot of measuring, I am absolutely sure this is the right spot. So hopefully this will work out as good as this one. I'll show you! I can't drill just one of these because the pilot hole here disappears. So I have to drill one first. If I drill this one first, I will lean a little bit low. So I will cut the underside first, leaving this one intact. And with this one I will do the opposite. So I will cut a half moon shaped hole here first, and then I can just take the scissors and cut it. So that's how I did, and this worked out great. What I'm doing to a brand new roadster body. So yeah, I'll just snippy. So here we go. This is how it turned out. I've just secured them with a little bit of electrical tape, and the placement I'm pretty happy with. I have no choice. I mean, they are where they are. So I even think I got them at a legal distance from the outside of the car when the wheel is on in Sweden. Who cares? But anyway, I will keep on rolling. Well, I will remove these and drill the holes for the fasteners for this. Just make a little mark up here. Make a little mark down here. But the eye measurement is what counts here. So I have done something extremely terrible. I got the wrong screws for this job. But they will work. And I will not tell anyone. My homemade gasket. I know the gaskets, they are not expensive at all, but the shipping time is 0 when you made them yourself. This is my own design, 3D printed with TPU. Voila! This is a little curved like this, and these are completely flat. So I have quite large washers on both sides, so I flatten this piece a little bit. But that's okay. I think that's the way to do it, actually. So this is how I did it. Anyway. So hopefully this will look as good as this one. And here is another homemade gasket printed in TPU. This is gasoline resistant and oil resistant. And I guess it can take some temperature, not in an engine, but I mean, pretty cool. You can make your own gaskets. So I don't know if this is an original solution, but to keep the glass from flopping around, this is how I do it. This is great when you have 4 things but 2 hands. You can loosen off, and the screw you can put somewhere like down here. And be careful not to drop this one, because it's glass and it will break. So keep it in place with your thumb like this, and put the bezel around, and then click the screw, put it on the tip for the screwdriver, like that, and then just screw it in. Like this. So I mounted both of these now. This one don't have the homemade gasket behind it. and I'm not sure if I want that or not. This looks a little bit stupid with a shiny rubber piece behind it. I think this looks better with nothing behind it. So I might just remove the gasket. Taillight are there. Woohoo! Well, have you heard the new Creedence Clearwater Revival song, The Unfortunate Son? Mwah, 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 mwah. I quickly put the boot lid on and the rumble seat lid on, and yeah, my mate in England, Julian, he told me I might have to modify the buckets to clear the lid, and yes, I do need to modify the buckets to clear the lid. I need to take, let's see, 1/2 inch perhaps off this one, or I just cut it, section it, and move this one in a little bit, see if I can clear the light bulb doing that. Otherwise I will just cut a little bit of that corner and a little bit of this one. So we'll see which is easier and which looks best. And I removed this one where the cable came out. I will replace with something else. So right now I cut that off. Woohoo! So I solder a new cable on, some shrink wrap, and I will thread these through here again. Yeah, with a little bit of damn. Yeah, take one. Take two. With a little bit of persuasion. Yeah. So there we go. It has very good spring tension still. A little drop of something in there perhaps, but yeah, just do the same with the other one. So here we go. For you RC car enthusiasts, you will recognize these connectors. So I will have the taillights on connectors. So I need to pop rivet this one in place again. I installed a rubber boot and some protection for the wires. Oh, hey! Here we go. Both lamps are in. The rumble seat goes in here, and the rumble seat is they clear the rumble seat is what I'm trying to say. So as you can see, hopefully it's I will try to do like this. It's plenty of space. It's hard to see, but you just have to trust me on this one. It's plenty of space. Oh, both clears. Woohoo! So that's the end of the mounting the taillight fadäs. Hope you liked it. See you on the next one. Bye!